I never thought something like this would happen to me. I was married to Tom for 10 years. We had a small, cozy house, and everything seemed perfect. We were happy. I thought we were a team. But one day, everything changed. It all started with small things. Tom started coming home late from work. He said it was because of meetings, but he didn't seem as tired as usual. He also started paying more attention to his phone. He would smile at messages and quickly hide his phone when I walked by. At first, I thought I was overthinking it. Maybe he's just stressed, I told myself. But deep down, something didn't feel right. Then, one day, I saw a message on his phone. I wasn't trying to snoop, but I saw that it was from someone named Anna. The message said, "I can't wait to see you again." My heart sank. Who was Anna? And why was she so excited to see my husband? I felt sick, but I didn't say anything right away. I waited until Tom came home, and then I asked him, "Tom, is there something you need to tell me?" He looked confused and said, "No, why?" I didn't want to accuse him without asking first, so I said calmly, "I saw a message on your phone from someone named Anna." "Who is she?" Tom froze. At first, he didn't say anything. Then he told me, "She's just a friend from work." But I could tell he wasn't telling the truth. My hands were shaking, and I said, "Tom, please don't lie to me. Tell me the truth." After a long silence, he admitted, "I've been seeing her for a few months." I couldn't believe it. I felt like everything was falling apart. How could he do this to me? I thought we were happy. I thought we were in this together. I asked him, "Why, Tom? Why would you betray me like this?" He didn't have a good answer. He just said, "I don't know. I made a mistake." The next few days were the hardest of my life. I stayed in bed and cried a lot. I didn't know what to do. Should I leave him? Should I try to fix our marriage? I was so angry and hurt, but I also felt confused because part of me still loved him. I talked to my best friend, Sarah, about everything. She's been like a sister to me, and she listened carefully. She said, "Sarah, you have to think about what's best for you. Do you think you can forgive him? Or is it time to move on?" Her words made me think a lot. I decided I needed to talk to Tom again. I told him how much he had hurt me and that I didn't know if I could trust him anymore. Tom said he was sorry and wanted to fix things. But I wasn't sure if I believed him. For the next few weeks, I focused on myself. I started walking every day, spending time outside, and writing in my journal. Slowly, I started to feel stronger. One day, I told Tom, "I need time to figure out what I want. I need space." I decided to stay with my sister for a while. She lived in a small town near the mountains. It was quiet there, and I felt like I could think clearly. While I was away, Tom started going to therapy. He sent me letters, apologizing and saying he wanted to fix things. He promised he wouldn't hurt me again. But I knew I needed time to heal before making any big decisions. After a few months, I felt like a new person. I had learned to be strong on my own. I didn't need Tom to make me happy. I could be happy by myself. When I returned home, I told Tom, "I forgive you, but I'm not ready to stay married. I need to move on with my life." Tom was sad, but he understood. We decided to part ways. It was hard, but deep down, I knew it was the right choice for me. I moved into a small apartment and started a new job at a library. Every day, I felt a little stronger and a little happier. Looking back, I realized that what happened with Tom was painful, but it taught me something important. I deserve to be loved and respected. I learned that I don't need anyone else to make me happy. I can create my own happiness. And that's what I'm doing now, one day at a time.